There are multiple ways to change object styles in SBeXpress. One is to go to the respective style settings of an element such as an extent. There I can select the style I want to edit, or I can clone an existing one and create a new style based on that. I will do this, name the new style black, and set the colors I want. Now I select all the extent, I do a Ctrl right click and set the style of all the extents in the selection to black. Let's create a black style for the rebars as well, but this time I only clone an existing style and assign this to all the rebars. Now I right-click on a rebar and select Style/block modification. A pop-up window will appear with the information on the styling of the object. I choose Change Style Properties. The blinking rectangle will show the element I choose to modify on the drawing. I can edit other properties as well. I select all the references and apply the new style. Now I do the same thing to the labels. To edit the schedule style, I right-click on it and select Modify. I set all the colors and edit the tab rebar style to match that of the table. BAM-tech carpet styles are only different in that one style is applied to all the carpets. This can be chosen at the Carpet Style drop-down.